Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain what are variables in Python. So let's get started. Variable is nothing but a reserved memory location to store values, and variables are used to store the data. Memory allocated when the values are stored in variables, and every variable must have some type. So let me just open Visual Studio Code. Let me just create one simple Python file as variables dot ey. Okay, for example, if I say some variable called a, you need to store some values like a equal to 10. Here a is a variable and 10 is a value, so here I am assigning some value into variable. Okay, here I am assigning 10 value into variable called a. So as soon as I have assigned some values to this variable, there some memory allocation will be created, and this value will go and store in a memory allocation. Okay, and this allocation will be identified with this variable, right? So that is a variable. So now let's see how many ways we can assign these variables in Python. So let's see how we can create variable. Say a equal to 100. Okay, so here, if you go to Java, C, C++, when I create a variable, we must specify the data types. So that means before itself, we need to tell what kind of value we are going to store in that particular variable. But in Python, we don't need to specify any data type. So here, as soon as I have assigned some value into a variable, so that will be considered as an integer. Automatically, it will considered as an integer. Similarly, if I say b equal to 10.5, so this will automatically considered as a float number or a decimal number. Okay, here also no need to specify any data type. So whenever we assigned value to this variable, automatically data type will be decided. So we don't need to specify any data type exclusively in Python. Understand? So we'll take one more example. Name equal to Lakshmi. So here in Python, we have to store string in a double quotation or in single quotation. Okay, but in Java, we'll store strings in a character type. Okay, here in double quotation or single quotation. We can also store in single quotation. Let me just show you. Name1 equal to Lakshmi. Okay, sorry, in single quotation. We can also store in single quotation. So based upon the data we provided here, that variable automatically considered, whether it is a number type or it is a string type. We have also Boolean type. Let's say x equal to true. So here x is a variable and true is a Boolean type. Here I'm assigning this Boolean type into a variable called x. Okay, so now I have created some variables and assigned values to those variables. Now I will print those values. So I have to use print command here. Okay, I have to use print command to print those values. Print v, print name, print x. Okay, let me just run this code. So here what I am getting, see, a is a 100, b is a 10.5, 10.5. See, name is a string Lakshmi, and last one is boolean type true. So this is like we'll get the output. See, I will tell you one more thing. If we want to, what we are doing here, we are assigning some different values into different variables. Okay, so I want to assign different values into different variables in a single line. I have to print in a single line. So how to do that? Let's see. Let's say A, comma B, comma name equal to 10, comma 10.5, comma name in a string Lakshmi. Okay, so we have to give comma separated values in a single line. So here 10 is assigned to A, 10.5 is assigned to B, and Lakshmi's name is assigned to this name variable. Okay, let me just print A, comma B, comma name. Okay, let me run this code. See, I'm getting in a single line by side 10, 10.5 Lakshmi. We get in a single line. So now I have to assign same values into different variables. What we have done till now, I have assigned different values into different variables, but now I have to assign similar values into different variables. So how to do that? Let's say A, comma B, comma C equal to values will be 10, 10, 10. So I'm assigning same values into different variables. Okay, 10 into A, 10 into B, and 10 into C. So let me print this A, comma B, comma C. Okay, run this code. See, I'm getting output as 10, 10, 10. So here still we can reduce this code also. Let me just comment this line. I will add one more line to here. A equal to B equal to C equal to 10. So this is also a correct notation to write the code. Let's just print this value. See, 10, 10, 10. So this is also a correct notation. Okay. So that's all for today's video. Please subscribe my channel and that you will get more updates on this. Thank you all.